Want to unlock the secrets to real estate success using powerful data from Redfin? First, head over to redfin.com and sign into your account if you don't have one. It's quick and free to create. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Redfin section. This is your personalized dashboard for all things Redfin now. Locate the Track Your Home section. If you have already saved your home on Redfin, it will be listed there. If not, you can easily add it. Click on the property you want to analyze. Scroll down the page until you see the Property Data section. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find a wealth of information, including Redfin estimate history, local market trends, and most importantly, the activity analytics. Let's start with views. This section shows you how many people are viewing your listing on Redfin. A spike in views could indicate increased interest, perhaps after a price change or open house. Track this over time to see if your marketing efforts are paying off. Next, check out the favorites. This tells you how many Redfin users have saved your property as a favorite. Think of it as a virtual shortlist. A higher number of favorites means more potential buyers are seriously considering your property. Finally, don't ignore the market trends. This section provides insights into the overall real estate market in your area, including median sale prices, inventory levels, and more. Understanding these trends can help you price your property competitively and time your listing for maximum impact. And there you have it. By regularly monitoring these Redfin activity analytics, you can gain a deeper understanding of buyer behavior, refine your real estate strategy, and ultimately achieve your property goals.